Good morning. Trying not to get hit by a car this morning. I'm like plastered up against this right now, but let a couple people come on. I'll show you where I'm at. This is the Shakespeare Gallery. I've showed you this before, where they're digging way down in there. Remember, like all down. So there's the Supreme Court right there. Library of Congress building, and then, of course, the Capitol is right there. But I've shown you this. But this morning, this kind of caught my eye, and I couldn't find parking, so I came around to go back, and like they're working in a tunnel, like a literal tunnel. You can stand in that thing. There was just a guy down in there standing in it. And so I asked one of the guys, I was like, what is that? And he said, it's a tunnel. And I was like, oh, I mean, that's, I haven't heard that word used by a worker for a long time. So I said, a tunnel? What kind of a tunnel? And he's like, it's the air conditioning. And I was like, the air conditioning? I mean, he's like, yeah. I said, air conditioning and heat? And he said, no, just air conditioning. I don't know, but he said the tunnels go all around here from the Capitol. And he said they're not repairing anything, that they're actually closing the tunnel off. They're closing it off. So let's walk around here a little bit. But you can see, like, they dug way under the building. Just this place has been like this for, gosh, I can't even tell you how long. This is just, it's just gotten, wow, huh? I don't know. I just saw that guy standing down there, and it just, it was like, let's see. Well, he said air conditioning. I mean, I don't know. Is that how they run air conditioning? I don't know. Through the whole place from the Capitol? I really don't know. But a tunnel nonetheless. There really isn't a much going on. Let's hurry up and just stay on. I'll walk down here real quick. Have a great day. Wow. I don't know, Wow. Let's see. Maybe if you came in that little bit of time. Let's go take a look. Got half staff over on the house side. Nothing on the Senate. What to do? Just a bunch of people standing there today, not a lot of journalists at the Supreme Court. I don't know about you, but I found it really, really funny that guy yesterday in front of the Supreme Court was wearing one of those maroon sweatshirts, because I've seen those sweatshirts so many times here, and he had an orange t-shirt from that protest. So, and I still don't know what was going on in the Supreme Court. But there were a lot of journalists, and it was coincidental that they had that major protest there. Or not major protest, but, you know, a few people. All right. Visitor Center is still closed. Alright, let's see. Goodness, it's cold today. Well, we'll just keep our eye out here. Wow. All right, yeah, I'll keep my eye out here. Let me go zoom down by the White House, check things out there. I'll see ya.